Howdy, my name is Daniel. I'm the founder and owner of Mad Love Concepts, and today I'm going to be talking to you about 5 ways you can connect your microphone to your smartphone. So let's go ahead and jump right into option number 1, which is what I like to call the 3 adapter method. Now basically what you're going to need is 3 separate adapters for you to plug in your dynamic microphone into your smartphone. The first one is for iPhone users, and it is the Lightning to TRRS adapter. The second one is the TRRS splitter, which separates the headphones from the microphones. And finally, you're going to need a 3.5 millimeter TS to XLR Female adapter. This is a very specific cable, so I'm going to link it in the description in case you need one of these. And if you are using this method, there is one additional thing you need to know about it, which is that your microphone must have an impedance of 300 or more. Now I am using the Sennheiser E945, which has an impedance of 300, so this is good to go. However, if you are using the commonly used Shure SM58, then you will not be able to use that microphone. Again, the impedance has to be 300 or more. If it is less than 300, you may not be able to use it. So let's go ahead and plug this up. And we're going to test this bad boy out on my smartphone. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to take each take of the audio from each option and run them side by side so that you can compare all of the options amongst each other. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how this sounds. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my Sennheiser E945 with the 3 adapter method. Alrighty, so that was option number 1. Option number 2 is going to be the iRig Pre. At $40, this is an economic solution to plugging in your condenser or dynamic microphone into your smartphone. It is powered, meaning it takes a 9-volt battery, and it has gain adjustment as well as 48 volts and a headset jack for your headphones. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try using my Sennheiser E945 again. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my iRig Pre with my smartphone. Okay, so that was option number 2. Option number 3 is going to be the Yeti USB microphone. Now, I bought this on reverb.com for a cheaper price, so I encourage you to look where you can to save money when you can. To use this microphone, I'm going to need 2 additional pieces of equipment. So the first thing I'm going to need is called the camera adapter, made by Apple, and it is used to plug a USB source into your smartphone. It also has a charging port, which is important because you are going to need to use the charging port. I have a fast charger with a USB-C to Lightning cable plugged into the adapter, and then I'm going to take a mini B to USB cable, and I'm going to plug this as well into the adapter, with the mini B side going into the Yeti. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my Yeti USB microphone with my smartphone. So that was option number 3. Option number 4 is going to be the Yamaha MG10XU. Now, I have chosen this particular mixer simply because of its availability, as well as the effects on board and the number of channels it supplies. I do think that around $200 this is a reasonable solution for what it has to offer, but it is on the more expensive side of this list. So what you're going to need to use in order to plug in your MG10XU mixer into your smartphone is what is commonly known as a printer cable, going from a USB Type B to a USB. And you're going to additionally use the same camera adapter that I used in option number 3. So plugging in the USB to the camera adapter, as well as into the back of the Yamaha MG10XU mixer, we're going to see how this sounds. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my Yamaha MG10XU with my smartphone. Alrighty, well that was option number 4. Option number 5, and the last option on our list, is the smartphone direct input, or the Smitty system, made by MadLove Concepts. Simply put, the Smitty system was made to take your line, mic, or mixer signal and input it directly into your smartphone or camera device. You can use this for communication applications such as FaceTime or voice chat, or you can use this for live streaming. I highly recommend this option for churches who have older gear that was not made for live streaming and does not have digital outputs. If you have older gear that cannot be used directly with your smartphone, then the Smitty system is the perfect option for you. As you're about to witness, I'm going to take the output of my soundboard, input it into the Smitty system, and then run the audio directly into my smartphone for better quality audio for my recordings. So let's go ahead and check that out. And this is what it sounds like whenever I run my soundboard audio into the Smitty system to be used with my smartphone. Alrighty guys, so that's it from me. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you love this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are interested in the Smitty system, you can go ahead and run on over to madloveconcepts.com, or you can email smitty@madloveconcepts.com to inquire more information. I will be putting out more content surrounding the Smitty system and what it can allow you to do here within the next few months. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the horizon. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my Sennheiser E945 with the 3 adapter method. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my iRig Pre with my smartphone. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my Yeti USB microphone with my smartphone. And this is what it sounds like whenever I use my Yamaha MG10XU with my smartphone. And this is what it sounds like whenever I run my soundboard audio into the Smitty system to be used with my smartphone.